Okay, and here's another one of our picks from yesterday, also from Clear Lake. From Clear Lake Shelter to our shelter to us. This is a nice little dog. She is 4 months, and she's slightly smaller than the 3-month-old Husky-ish mixes. I don't know what to call her. Shepherd and Retriever, I guess, would be the easiest thing, but you don't really know unless you do a DNA test. This is a friendly, happy, outgoing dog. She had no trouble negotiating all the new stuff yesterday. No trouble traveling in the car. Well, the other puppies didn't either. They actually kind of liked the car. It was the noise and the hustle and bustle once they got out that got them a little nervous. But this little girl took everything in stride. Her name is Marla. Gizmo, 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 that's enough. Gizmo, look at him. Oh my gosh. Gizmo, Gizmo, that's enough. Gizmo, that's enough, I'm serious. Come on, stop. Stop, go on, come on. Let them chew up their toy. Her name is Marla. Where all the puppies are going. Gizmo is full of himself. We got him neutered the other day, thank God. There she is back again. Super affectionate, super sweet, super agile. Hopped up on the dining room table to see what I was doing. Running around, had no problem crating, no problem with anything. Just happy. Very, very happy. So that is Marla.